Hey everybody, this is Brandon with America Diesel, and today our Worldlawn sales rep is bringing us a Diamondback zero turn demo unit. And what we intend to do with this zero turn is bring it to one of our customers' locations to let him try it out. This particular customer has never really been a big fan of zero turns. He's always preferred old style riding mowers, but he realizes that a zero turn is hands down just streamlines the grass cutting process, and that's what he's looking to do. So hopefully when he gets it, he tries it out, he likes it, and he goes in that direction. Other than that, when our demo unit arrives, I'll take you guys out there and we'll take a peek and see what we got. All right, so here we have it. Looks like my sales rep brought me a Worldlawn Diamondback 60-inch, which this is the new one that I went over in the review video a couple weeks ago. But here we have it here as a demo, and I can't wait to put it in the field for you guys.